Welcome to the questions and answers menu. So as you might already know, Amazon has questions and answers and reviews grouped together, and you can achieve the same result with Opinew. So let me show you how it looks like on one of the product pages. Have a look here. This is the review section, and here is the questions and answers tab. As you can see, this is a question somebody answered, and this is what shop responded. Let's get back to the menu, and you can see that this is the question and answer pair. If your product doesn't have any questions just yet, you can create one in here from scratch. If you, let's say, had questions asked on your support channels, or somebody sent you an email, you can pre-populate it here. We see quite a lot of success. It's a very often used menu amongst our clients. Super easy to use. So if somebody asks a question, you have those two sections, answered and unanswered menu. So somebody asked the question here, you answer it like this. You can make it public or not. It's up to you. You can just answer it directly to the customer using, it will basically send your answer to their email, but you can also make it public. Yeah. And this is how you do it. Yeah, I hope this is useful. If you have any questions, just use the live chat here, and we'll help you out.